With the first squat being completed, it's now time to put the bar back on the rack. So it's very similar to how you took the bar off the rack. So after you complete the squat, you're going to want to let the weight settle a little bit, and then you're going to want to either go right, left, and then put the bar back on the rack, or left and right, whichever is more comfortable. As you can see, I go left, right, and the biggest thing that people do is they'll put one side of the bar on the rack first and then put the other one on the other side, but that's wrong. You want to do it both at the same time, because a lot of the times when you put it on one side, you're burning energy and then you can't get it on this other side. So you're going to want to do it all at once, just like this. Just put it on the rack both at the same time.